Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of adaptogens, focusing on how ashwagandha and medicinal mushrooms can help boost your daily energy. Adaptogens are natural substances that help your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. In this video, we'll explore what adaptogens are, why they're gaining popularity, and how you can incorporate them into your routine for sustained energy throughout the day. Whether you're new to adaptogens or looking to optimize your current regimen, this guide will provide practical tips and insights. Let's get started by understanding the basics of adaptogens and their unique benefits. Adaptogens are a special class of herbs and mushrooms that support the body's ability to handle stress, fatigue, and anxiety. They work by regulating the adrenal system, which manages your hormonal response to stress. Unlike stimulants, adaptogens don't give you a quick jolt of energy. Instead, they help your body maintain steady energy levels, improve resilience, and promote overall well-being. Examples include ashwagandha, rhodiola, and various medicinal mushrooms like rhizome and cordyceps. Let's take a closer look at how these powerful plants work in your body. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a traditional herb used in Ayurvedic medicine. It's renowned for its ability to reduce stress, enhance stamina, and support mental clarity. Ashwagandha works by balancing cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. When taken regularly, it can help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Many people find that ashwagandha helps them manage daily pressures and maintain a calm, steady energy. Next, we'll explore how medicinal mushrooms can complement these benefits. Medicinal mushrooms like rhizome, cordyceps, and lion's mane are celebrated for their adaptogenic properties. Each mushroom offers unique benefits. Rhizome supports relaxation and immune health, cordyceps boosts physical performance and stamina, while lion's mane enhances cognitive function. These mushrooms work synergistically with your body to increase resilience, reduce fatigue, and promote balanced energy. Incorporating them into your daily routine can help you feel more alert and focused, without the crash associated with caffeine or sugar. Adaptogens interact with the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, which controls your stress response. By modulating this system, adaptogens help your body maintain homeostasis, or balance, even during stressful times. This means you're less likely to experience energy crashes or burnout. Instead, you'll notice a more consistent level of energy and focus throughout the day. Understanding this mechanism can help you appreciate why adaptogens are so effective for daily energy support. Selecting the right adaptogen depends on your personal needs. If you're looking for stress relief and calm energy, ashwagandha is a great choice. For physical endurance and stamina, cordyceps mushrooms are ideal. If mental clarity is your goal, lion's mane can help. You can also combine different adaptogens for a broader range of benefits. It's important to start with one, observe how your body responds, and then adjust as needed. Let's talk about how to incorporate these into your daily routine. Adaptogens are available in various forms, including powders, capsules, tinctures, and teas. Powders are versatile and can be added to smoothies or coffee. Capsules are convenient for on-the-go use. Tinctures offer quick absorption, while teas provide a soothing ritual. Choose the form that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of adaptogens. Starting your day with adaptogens can set a positive tone. Add ashwagandha powder to your morning smoothie or coffee for a calm, focused energy. Cordyceps can be mixed into your pre-workout drink to enhance stamina. Lion's mane pairs well with tea for a brain boost. Establishing a morning adaptogen ritual helps you feel energized and ready to tackle the day's challenges. If you experience an afternoon slump, adaptogens can help maintain your energy. Try adding a mushroom blend to your lunch or sipping on an adaptogen-infused tea. These natural boosters support sustained energy without the jitters or crashes of caffeine. Over time, you'll notice improved focus and productivity, making your afternoons more enjoyable and effective. Adaptogens aren't just for energy, they also help you unwind. Reishi mushroom, for example, is known for its calming effects and can be enjoyed as a tea in the evening. Ashwagandha can also promote restful sleep when taken at night. By supporting your body's stress response, adaptogens help you relax and recover, setting you up for better energy the next day. While combining adaptogens can enhance their effects, it's important to do so safely. Start with one adaptogen and gradually introduce others, monitoring how your body responds. Avoid excessive doses and consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. A balanced approach ensures you get the benefits without unwanted side effects. The optimal dosage of adaptogens varies depending on the type and your individual needs. For ashwagandha, a common dose is 300–500 mg per day. For mushrooms, follow the manufacturer's recommendations, as concentrations can differ. Always start with the lowest effective dose and increase gradually if needed. Consistency is more important than high doses for long-term benefits. Adaptogens are generally safe for most people, but certain groups should exercise caution. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with autoimmune conditions, or those taking specific medications should consult a healthcare provider before using adaptogens. Always prioritize safety and seek professional advice if you're unsure. Most adaptogens are well tolerated, but some people may experience mild side effects such as digestive upset, headaches, or allergic reactions. These effects are usually temporary and subside as your body adjusts. If you notice persistent or severe symptoms, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. When choosing adaptogen supplements, quality is crucial. Look for reputable brands that use third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. Organic and sustainably sourced products are preferable. Avoid supplements with unnecessary fillers or additives. Investing in high-quality adaptogens maximizes their benefits and minimizes potential risks. Understanding supplement labels helps you make informed choices. Check for the type of adaptogen, dosage per serving, and any additional ingredients. Look for certifications like organic or non-GMO. Transparency from the manufacturer is a good sign of product quality. If you're unsure about a label, research the brand or consult a healthcare professional. Adaptogens work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. These habits create a strong foundation for adaptogens to support your energy and resilience. Remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. Your daily habits matter most. To get the most from adaptogens, track your progress over time. Keep a journal of your energy levels, mood, and any changes you notice. This helps you identify which adaptogens work best for you and adjust your routine as needed. Consistent tracking leads to better results and a deeper understanding of your body's needs. There are several myths about adaptogens. Some believe they provide instant energy like caffeine, but their effects are more gradual and sustainable. Others think all adaptogens work the same, but each has unique properties. Understanding the facts helps you set realistic expectations and use adaptogens more effectively. Research on adaptogens is growing, with studies showing benefits for stress reduction, energy, and cognitive function. Ashwagandha has been shown to lower cortisol and improve stamina, while cordyceps enhances physical performance. While more research is needed, current evidence supports the safe use of adaptogens for daily energy and resilience. Unlike stimulants like caffeine, adaptogens don't cause spikes and crashes in energy. Instead, they promote balanced, long-lasting vitality. This makes them a better choice for those seeking steady energy without the side effects of stimulants. If you're sensitive to caffeine or want to avoid dependency, adaptogens are a great alternative. Adaptogens can be easily added to your meals. Sprinkle mushroom powder on soups or salads, blend ashwagandha into smoothies, or stir adaptogen blends into oatmeal. This not only boosts your nutrition, but also makes it easier to remember your daily dose. Experiment with recipes to find what works best for you. If you're on the go, adaptogen capsules or single-serve packets are convenient options. These travel-friendly forms ensure you don't miss your daily dose, even with a busy schedule. Keep a few in your bag or desk drawer for easy access wherever you are. Consistency is key with adaptogens. Set a reminder or pair your adaptogen intake with an existing habit, like morning coffee or evening tea. Over time, this routine becomes second nature, making it easier to experience the full benefits of daily adaptogen use. Everyone's response to adaptogens is unique. Pay attention to how you feel after taking them and adjust your routine as needed. If you notice positive changes in energy, mood, or focus, you're on the right track. If not, consider trying a different adaptogen or adjusting your dosage. Pairing adaptogens with mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga can amplify their benefits. These practices help reduce stress and enhance your body's natural resilience, making adaptogens even more effective. Consider adding a few minutes of mindfulness to your daily routine for optimal results. Your adaptogen needs may change with life's demands. During periods of high stress or physical exertion, you might benefit from higher doses or different adaptogens. Stay flexible and adjust your routine as your lifestyle evolves. This ensures you continue to get the support you need. Adaptogens can benefit the whole family, but it's important to consider age and health status. Children, elderly, and those with medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before starting adaptogens. Sharing your experience and knowledge can help loved ones make informed choices about their own wellness. Adaptogens work gradually, so be patient. Most people notice benefits within a few days to a few weeks of consistent use. If you don't see results right away, give your body time to adjust. Long-term use often leads to the best outcomes for energy and resilience. To sum up, adaptogens like ashwagandha and medicinal mushrooms offer a natural way to boost daily energy, manage stress, and support overall wellness. Choose high-quality products, start with small doses, and be consistent. Pair adaptogens with healthy habits for the best results. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. With patience and mindful use, adaptogens can become a valuable part of your daily energy routine.